All right, guys, this is Hit Parade Jersey Break Series 27, number 2, break number 2D. Roll the die, 3 or more. 11 times on this bad boy. All right, let's verify everybody's spot they bought. Number 1, Marty S. Number 2, Andy K. Number 3, JB. Number 4, Dan B. Number 5, Tiro. Number 6, Dixo. Number 7, 8, Dan B. Number 9, Caputo. Number 10, Lemoyne. 514 underscore, that is. Number 11, Stickman. Number 12 and 13, Andy. Number 14, Jimmy. Number 15, Caputo. Number 16, Andy. 17, Stevo. 18, Dan B. 19, Andy. 20, JB. 21, 22, Johnny Tack. 23, Netminder. 24, Henry R. 25, Marty S. 26, Dano. 27, 28, Dash. 29, Colin. 30, Miko. And 31, 514, underscore, Lemoyne. 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th, and final time. Uh-oh, it's blurry. Sorry about that, guys. I did not see that. So you can see we're on the 10th roll right here, guys. We're on the 10th roll. I didn't see that till I looked up at the monitor. Sorry about that. 11th and final time. Good luck. Here we go. So we got Jimmy H on the top. Stevo on the bottom. List was randomized 11 times. At the broadcasting monitor, that is. Which is a totally different computer. All right, so then we got all 31 teams in. 11 times on the teams. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th and final. Good luck. Here we go. We got the Canes on the top. We got the Caps on the bottom. List was randomized 11 times. Alright, guys, so we got Carolina, Jimmy H, Andy K, Rangers, Stickman, Flyers, Marty S, Vegas, Caputo, Flames, Dan B, Buffalo, Dasher, Nash, Colin M, Kings, Dasher, Montreal, Netminder, TB, Dan B, Ducks, Dan B, Winnipeg. Andy K, NJD, JB Chicago, Johnny Tack Blues, Miko Ottawa, Dan B Boston, Caputo Pittsburgh, Dan B the Couve, Colorado Johnny Tack, 514 Lemoyne, Minnesota, JB Detroit, Marty S Toronto, Henry R Sharks, Dallas Dixo, Andy K Florida, CBJ Lemoyne, Tiro Coyotes, Andy K Isles, Andy K Oil, Steve-O Weevo Caps, and there we go. Okay, cool. Oh, come on, good. I'm glad that's the case. All right. HP Series 27, number 2D. Let's roll the die. See what box we're going at here. We'll roll till we get the box number. 5, box 5. Okay, let's see where we're at, guys. This is number 53 out of 100. It is Tomas Tatar for Detroit. So that is Tomas Tatar, Detroit Red Wings. There we go. I'm not sure, Shell. I'm going to have some more synergy. I think SPX. Dude, I've got to look. I think Playbook. Let's see. Detroit is going to Jennifer B, a.k.a. JB. JB had the Wings. And that was Tatar. And that was Tatar. That was tartar sauce. Alright. JB going in there. Yeah, Shell, I don't even remember what I got, Shell. Alright, guys. Synergy coming up next. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.